Hey everyone, how you doing today? I'm Damon Viteri, realtor with Coldwell Banker, and I'm joined by...
Hey everybody, I'm Joey Margolies with American Home Shield.
And today we're going to be talking about the benefits of a home warranty. So Joey, I get this question a lot from my clients. They have homeowners insurance already. Why do they need a home warranty?
Sure, it's a great question, Damon. So the big difference is your homeowner's insurance is going to cover the big ticket items that may happen, like a pipe bursting and flooding your home, a fire destroying it, a hurricane, where a home warranty is actually going to cover the things that we know will break, the mechanical components in your home, like the AC, heating, the plumbing, the appliances, and so forth.
Okay, so homeowners insurance is more catastrophic, big ticket items. Home warranty could be looked at more of the day-to-day, the nitty-gritty details of the home.
Most definitely. I mean, there's still big ticket items, the AC, the water heater, the plumbing,
Sure.
but there's coverage that I feel is incredibly valuable.
Absolutely. All right, Joe, thank you.
Thank you.